Area, definition, area in a sentence, area, pronunciation, area, meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of area. 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 Area means a region, part of a town, country, or the world, or a range of activities or interests. Common usages in academic writing: area of effect, around the area, map of the area, areas of research. Example sentences: area, noun. Wild deer are the most common in the rural areas of the state. Example sentence number 2. Surveys were only offered to residents of a particular area code. Example sentence number 3. My professor is very familiar with that area of research. Please write a sentence using area in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use area confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.